There was a man who had nothing left. No job, no money, no respect, no future, at least not one he could see. His phone was empty. No calls, no messages, no hope. Every morning felt heavier than the night before. Every breath felt like effort. Every mirror reminded him of who he used to be and who he had become. People stopped calling. Friends disappeared. Relatives avoided him. The world moved on, and he was left behind. He didn't dream anymore. He didn't plan anymore. He didn't even hope anymore. He just survived. One night, sitting alone in a small room, lights off, mind loud, heart tired, he whispered, "I can't do this anymore." Not loudly, not dramatically, just honestly. He wasn't thinking about success. He wasn't thinking about the future. He wasn't thinking about goals. He was thinking about escape from pain, from failure, from himself. And then something small happened. Not a miracle, not a speech, not a sign from the universe. Just a thought. I don't need to fix my whole life today. I don't need a big goal. I don't need a big dream. Just one more step. Not tomorrow, not next year, not forever. Just today. The next morning, he didn't change his life. He just stood up. That's it. He took a shower, wore clean clothes, went outside, walked for 10 minutes. No motivation, no energy, no confidence, just movement. One step. Some days, that step was filling one job application, learning one new skill, watching one tutorial, reading one page, making one phone call, walking one extra street, trying one more time. Some days, the step was simply not quitting. That's all. There were days he failed, days he cried, days he went back to bed, days he felt useless again, days he felt the darkness returning. But every time his mind said, "Give up," his soul replied, "One more step." Not a big promise, not fake positivity, not motivational quotes, just one action, one effort, one try. Weeks passed. Nothing magical happened. No sudden success. No viral moment. No overnight miracle. But something changed. His discipline grew. His mind became stronger. His fear became quieter. His confidence returned slowly, like a weak light in darkness. Not bright, not powerful, but real. Step by step, he found small work, then better work, then stable income. Step by step, he rebuilt respect, not from others first, from himself. Step by step, he rebuilt identity, not as a failure, but as a fighter. One day, he looked in the mirror again. Same face, same eyes, same body, but not the same man. This man had scars. This man had discipline. This man had resilience. This man had proof that he didn't quit. Not because life became easy, but because he refused to stop walking. And that's the truth. You don't rebuild your life in one day. You don't heal in one moment. You don't rise in one decision. You rise in small steps, silent steps, invisible steps, lonely steps, painful steps, but faithful steps. If your life feels broken, if you feel lost, if you feel tired, if you feel done, don't ask for a new life. Don't ask for a big dream. Don't ask for a miracle. Ask for this. One more step today. That's it. Because one step becomes two. Two become a habit. Habits become strength. Strength becomes identity. And identity rebuilds destiny. Not fast, not easy, not perfect, but real. And real change always starts with just one more step.